Next, I want to add a link to this page. So I'd like to add a way for us to go to, say, google.com or W3 Schools just by clicking on some text. So I'm going to go into Google real quick and let's search for this. So let's see, maybe I'd guess link tag W3. And what pops up is HTML link tag. I click in here and I quickly see, wait a second, this is actually the tag that links our CSS and HTML together, so it's not the one that I want. It's not called link. It's the second one down, which is an A tag. So we can go in here and we can just copy this. And we'll go back to Sublime. And I'm going to put it right below our H3, right above our image of Goku. Go back, refresh, and it pops up right next to Goku. So when I click on this, it takes us to W3 Schools, which is exactly where it leads us here. So here is the actual URL itself. You put that inside of the href attribute. You're saying where you want it to go, basically. Make sure you have the http://www dot. You can't just do w3schools.com. It will not recognize that. One thing I want to show you really quickly is it's really common for sites to open up a new tab instead of changing the current one that you're in. So if we click on HTML A tag and we scroll down a little bit, there's actually an attribute for that, and it's target. So target specifies where to open the link document, and I want underscore blank. So I'll open this back up right after href, target equals underscore blank, and I'll save it. And I go back to the page and I refresh. And it opens it up. So that's all really good. It's all working perfectly. Now the cool thing with links is anything can actually be a link. Most buttons you see are actually just links. There's just a link wrapped around it. So to show that to you really quickly, we have our A tag, right? Well, let's say I want to make the image of Goku a link. So I'll create an A tag here. Of course, I'll nest it. So I like to keep everything nice and clean. I'll save it and I'll do href equals. Just do http://www.google.com. Let's see if that works. And when we refresh, you'll notice my pointer changes now when I'm hovering over Goku, just like it would for any other link. So I can actually click on it, and it takes me to Google. It doesn't have target equals underscore blank, so it's taking me to directly there. But as you can see, you can make anything a link, anything at all. You definitely want to have ways of indicating that, like buttons frequently have shadows and things like that. But that's just how easy it is. So you can link, you can have any element be a link, and you can link anywhere you want, so long as it's saved on a server somewhere.